JEFIT Honest Review, watch before using. In this video, we're diving into an honest review of JEFIT, a popular workout app designed to track your fitness progress and guide your training. JEFIT offers a comprehensive set of features, making it a strong contender for anyone serious about lifting or fitness in general. The app includes customizable workout plans, a vast exercise library, progress tracking, and detailed stats, making it suitable for beginners, intermediate users, and advanced athletes. Whether you're a bodybuilder, powerlifter, or someone just looking to stay fit, JEFIT has the tools to support you. Let's talk about the workout tracker. It's one of the standout features. JEFIT allows you to log every exercise you do, with the ability to customize sets, reps, weights, and rest times. You can also track your body measurements, which is an excellent way to see your physical progress over time. The app's logging feature is easy to use, and the interface is clean, allowing you to focus on your workout instead of fumbling through the app. Another great feature is the exercise library, which has thousands of exercises categorized by muscle group. The app provides clear instructions and demonstration videos for each move, which is perfect for those who need guidance or want to ensure they're using proper form. Plus, it offers pre-built workout routines, which are great if you don't want to create a plan from scratch. The plans are tailored for different goals, whether you want to build muscle, improve endurance, or lose weight. JEFIT's premium version opens up even more features, like advanced stats, additional workout plans, and ad-free usage. While the free version gives you the basics, the premium plan is worth considering if you want to unlock the full potential of the app, especially if you're someone who's tracking serious progress and needs more detailed analytics. One downside of JEFIT is that its interface can feel a bit dated compared to other fitness apps, but it's functional and efficient. The app is not overly flashy, and its primary focus is delivering a straightforward experience, which is actually a plus for those who just want to get to the workout. In conclusion, JEFIT is a fantastic app for anyone who wants a reliable, customizable workout tracker with a ton of features for tracking progress and achieving fitness goals. Whether you're a beginner or experienced lifter, this app can help you optimize your workouts and see results. However, it's not the most polished app on the market, but if you value functionality over aesthetics, JEFIT is a solid choice.